Now listen to me, students. If it is written here like if there is a point P x comma y, means what? This is the distance on the real axis x, and this is the distance on the imaginary axis y, and the modulus of z means the distance from the origin to that point will be square root of x square plus y square. Okay, if we have to convert this complete situation into the polar form, actually that listen to me. What means of polar form means what? This OP is making theta angle with the positive direction of x-axis, means to the real axis. Okay, and this modulus of z is written in the form of r. At that time, x will be r cos theta and y will be, students, what? R sin theta. Okay, this is what? This is the polar Cartesian. Actually, it is said. Otherwise, it is known as what? Polar form. Okay, z means complex number is generally represented as x plus iy. At the place of x, you will write down r cos theta. At the place of y, you will write down r sin theta. And when you will take common r, you will get what? Cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay, sin theta. Now, students, if it is written here as actually r is equal, z is equal to, it is written here x plus iy or x minus iy also. Into the polar form, when you will convert x equals to, you will write down r cos theta and y equals to r sin theta. Y, what is the value? What is theta actually here? That is the angle from the positive direction of real axis to the modulus of z. Okay, or the distance r from the distance between the point to the origin. Okay, at that time x will behave as r cos theta and y will behave as what? R sin theta. When you will put it here, now you can check here that r will be common and you will get what? Cos theta plus minus I sin theta. This is also known as a, student's, polar form. Here r is known as same, that is the modulus of the complex number, and theta is known as what? Argument. Okay, here the value of r, that is the modulus of z, that is what? Is square root of x square plus y square, and the argument theta will be what? Tan inverse of y upon x. Okay, that is also known as slope of that modulus of z. Okay, slope of that point, you can say. Okay, now this is the complex number, and we have so many properties of complex number. Okay, students, if you have a complex number, z is equals to what? X plus iy. If the value of y is equals to 0, at that time z will be only x. At that time, the complex number is said to be what? Pure real complex number. Okay, because here we have only the real value, not of any imaginary value. If x equals to 0, if there is x equals to 0, at that time z will be equals to what? Iy only. At this time, this complex number will be known as pure imaginary complex number. Okay, students, these two things we have studied. What all the things today we have studied? How you will represent a complex number into the Cartesian plane. At that time, x-axis will behave as real axis and y-axis will behave as what? Imaginary axis. Okay, the coordinate x comma y will represent in the Cartesian plane as it is, as we know that. Okay, the value of x means what? The distance traveled in the real axis, and the value of y will be distance in the